feel how this song feels to you.
Tell me about the songs you're going to do. New songs, yeah?
New songs. All new songs. All new, all original. And that one was written this year, maybe 3 months ago.
Yeah.
And this one came really easy. It was pretty simple. But it was the first song that I actually had an opportunity to write for her to sing and perform, so it was pretty good. I think we got something. So
yes. Let all love shine.